So probability. So the probability and experimental approach. Okay. So see that what is meant by a probability. So there are so many examples. Through the examples, we are going to learn. Definition of the probability, definition of the terms, trial, event, and experiment, and outcome. What is meaning of the trial? And these are and list the steps to measure the chance of occurrence of the particular outcome. So these are the things, very simple things. Probability you are going to have very simple here. And see here, some members are standing here on the place here, and everyone is having the one idea in their mind. So they are thinking that. See here, the first here she has told that I have worked really hard. I hope to get an A in my science project. So I will get a chance in my chance आ जाएगा बोल के सोच रहे. And the second thing is, thank God I am carrying an umbrella. Looks like it may rain today. There is a chance of raining today. Chances looks like bright of your our winning. So the inner college football tournament में, and there may be a hike in the diesel prices बोल के वो सोच रहे हैं. There maybe they are thinking the gold prices will probably fall after the festival season. She is thinking about the gold prices. Usually, whatever it is happens here. The thing is, different people are thinking different things here. So he is thinking about the stocks here. The stock market is likely to fall. So usually people and family is standing here, then everyone is thinking about their own ideas. There may be chances of falling the means getting a football here this boy is, and a lady about the gold prices, and the man he is thinking about the stocks market falling to invest the money. So that these are the chances only. They are thinking there maybe. So like that, probably. Maybe means there may be a chances of happening. So that is likely to happen. Likely to happen is nothing but maybe, chance. These are the words we use. Probably means not exactly. There may be a chance. There may be a chance of happening here. Probably, chance, hope, likely, maybe. These words, whenever we are using, not exactly. So that is normally we consider it as a probability here. So probability is nothing but what is exactly probability. I think here what is here given to you, that one also you read here. She is saying that I think Lavina will most probably take away the best athlete of the year trophy. Here, what is the word used? Probably. And if that boy is saying that, are you kidding? I doubt Lavina will win that this time. I would bet on a Raghavan. He has been the best athlete for the last 2 years. No one can beat him the track record. So that boy is saying about the other person that she will not get, and that person will not get hand. Like that here, chances. There may be a chances of here. I would be arranged. It has been a best athlete for the last 2 years and track record whenever. And this boy he is saying that keeping the hope. See, keep the hoping, boys. With great runners on the outside, we have a good chance of winning both. There is both, and the best athlete as well as the best house trophy. So like that, chance here, chance word is used. You can observe that chance word is used. So whenever you are thinking that these words are used, not exactly here, he saying one thing and she is saying one thing and the boy is saying another thing, but everyone is saying not exactly. Chances are there, hopefully, and they probably. These words are used. So do you think these predictions are based on the uh, initiations? So normally, whatever it is happened, not exactly previously, whatever it is there, and they are guessing that. So past experiences, they past experiences based on the past experiences, they are saying that. So and someone is guessing it. So how do we define the probability now? So the thing is that probability is defined as a likelihood of the something occurring. It means there may be a chances of occurring here, probability. In main probability, we are going to use the dice, coins throwing a dice, and here when a snake and ladder game whenever you are playing, we don't know, and the Ludo game. These all the things are predictions only because based on a throwing a die. So different games. These are the different games. Whenever you play them, these are all the games are exactly involves the probability only because no one have the mind game. It is not a mind game. These games are Ludo. Whenever you are playing, luck होना है. आपको 6 आना है, सपोज 4 आना है, 5 आना है, ये तो सब कुछ चांसेस है. So probability, these are all based on the probabilities only. Will run the these games whenever you are taking it. And when a cricket match is going on, so who will do the first batting? So to define the probability is defined as a numerical method of measuring the uncertainty involved in. Actually, what is meaning of that one is probability is nothing but numerical method. A number will represent that. A number will represent the probability of chances. And whenever you see that, always the number should be lies between 0 and 1 only. The probability of any event. Okay, about the probability and remaining things you are going to learn very clearly in the next higher classes also. Whenever you see that these type of games, okay, so these games, whenever you see that, these are also based on the luck only. So physical science science experiments, whenever you are doing here, the experiments whenever you are doing, commerce, biological, medical, these are all the experiments. So that is normal experiment we are going to say, in which we know the results. हमको ये experiment कर रहे हैं. Suppose in chemistry you are doing the one experiment. You know that particularly this result आना है. You know that this particular result आपको आना है. A biological experiment you are doing, suppose. Okay, so whenever you are doing the biological experiment, particular answer is nothing but हमको suppose litmus paper का experiment if you are doing in chemistry, either you need to get the blue color or you need to get the something particular color आना है. नहीं आया तो हम गलत कर लिया. We know that. So that is experiment, and that experiment is normal experiment. And here we are going to use the word of experimental or a empirical probability both. So in the probability, empirical probability means actually based on a random experiment. Random experiment is nothing but an experiment in which the results are known, but we cannot predict exact result. What do we get? See here, I'll explain to you. So let's observe. So here number of the tosses are, when you are increasing the number of the tosses, when you observe that, if the result whatever you are going to get, this one is near to the 0.5 and this result is near to the 0.5. As you go on increasing the number of tosses, at home also you can check that, you will find that as the number of tosses gets larger, the value of the fractions come closer to the 0.5. The value of the, that the value of the fractions whatever we are going on taking here, that value we are going to get near to the 0.5 when it is increasing the value number of tosses. When you go on increasing the number of tosses, you are going to get it like this. So you will find that, see, observation is more important here. So throw a die 10 times and record the outcomes in the table. 10 times you throw it. This is just whenever you are doing, and observe the what numbers you are going to get here. 10 times whenever you show that number of times the scores turn up. Scores turn up means 1 will be there, 2 will be there, 3 will be there, 4 will be there, 5 will be there. And here number of times that one. Cumulative scores whenever you are taking, here 12 by 60, 8 by 60, 10 by 60, 14 by 60, 7 by 60, 9 by 60. See here 5 is coming very less number of times whenever you observe that. But when you go on increasing number of times, 60 times throw kar liya. So when you throw that trial, trial is nothing but what is meant by a trial and event. Let us see here. When you throw number of times, here 60 times throw kar liya hai. So number 5 only 7 times you got it. 7 by 60 you are getting. 7 by 60. If you are, whenever you see that number of times 5 you got and total number of times whenever you throw it. So 7 by 60 you are getting. So 7 by 60 whenever you are getting, that is less number you are getting. Remaining all are approximately near values you are getting numbers. But when you go on increasing the number of throwings die, and that value also you are going to get the nearest value. Oh, 1000 times karo, 2000 times karo. When you throw the dice, and patiently you need to note down that you can do the experiment like that. Okay. So here an experiment is defined as an action or a process that results well-defined outcomes. Means normally well-defined outcomes, whenever you know that an experiment is defined as an action or a process that results in well-defined outcomes. Means well-defined outcome means we know that these results aa jayega. So such type of the experiments, when you throw that coin, you know that when you throw the die, each toss of the coin and throw of a dice are called trials. We call that is one trial. Trial or an experiment normally. So throwing a die, throwing a tossing a coin is considered as a, and what are the outcomes, means results we are getting, they are called as outcomes. Trial is nothing but when you throw one time, that is called trial, one trial. And when you throw the coin, when you toss the coin, tossing the coin is called as trial. That is experiment, tossing the coin. And when you toss the coin, you may get head or tail. So getting head and tail, ये head and tail results है. These results are called as outcomes. These results are called as outcomes. We call them as a outcomes. See, several outcomes will be there here. So a trial is an action which results in one or several outcomes. एक भी हो सकता है, but ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. Okay. So this is the one thing you have to observe. So when you throw the die also, there may be a chance of getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 upon. So 6 chances are there. 6 outcomes are there when you throw a die. When you toss a coin, 2 outcomes are there. Number of outcomes are 2. One is head and tail. So event with the outcome head, event with the outcome tail. Tails. So here, whenever you consider die, throwing a die, the event with the outcome 1, event with an outcome 2, event with the outcome 3, 4, 5, 6, like the different outcomes. An event for an experiment can be defined as a collection of the some outcomes. Event is nothing but, here what is event, here we are saying event is nothing but some outcomes. Outcome means results. Some outcomes together, if you are saying, suppose when I take a throwing a die throw करने के बाद कितना even number आया, I am asking. Even number is nothing but 2, 4, 6. This is getting a number 2, 4, 6 is even event. One event. Trial is nothing but experiment. What means experiment is nothing but whatever game we are playing. So throwing a die, tossing a coin is called trial. Outcome is nothing but all results. When you throw the coin, then throw, when you throw the coin throwing is nothing but outcomes, whatever the results we are getting. So that results are called as a outcomes. And event is nothing but in that some results. Suppose getting a head, only head is getting, is called as a one event. How many times get? Suppose throwing a dice is there. Dice when you are throwing, when you throw the die whenever you are throwing, there may be a chance of getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So getting an even number is called as a one event. Event is nothing but getting an odd number is event. Getting a prime number is one event. Like the different events. So some outcomes only. Even number means only some we will take into consider. Odd number is nothing but some only we are going. In all the results, only some we are taking into consider. Some outcomes only when we are taking. That is called as an event. It is called as event. Okay. So that is experimental or empirical probability. We call that, what is meant by empirical probability. See here, this one is, so an experimental or empirical probability is estimate that event will be happen based on how often the event occurs after performing an experiment in the large number of trials. A large number of trials means when you do the trial large number of times. Trial is nothing but throwing a die is trial. That large number of times whenever you are doing, then we are going to experimental or empirical probability is estimate. वो estimate करेगा. Estimate that an event will be happen based on how often the event occur after performing an experiment in large number of trials. So more number of trials करने के बाद हमारा results कैसे आ जाएगा वो पता. Tossing a coin you take into consider. One time, two times. First time head you got, second time tail you got. So like that different number of times whenever you are throwing. So let be the total number of trials. So this is main formula you are going to have to calculate the probability of an event. E is an event, an experiment of an empirical probability. P of E is an event. E happening is given by probability of an event. E is equals to number of trials in which the event happened. Number of the trials event is happened by total number of trials. Total number of trials. Okay. Suppose if you are taking, I tossed the coin. Just I'll explain to you this one. Tossed the coin some 60 times. You consider the 60 times or 75 times it was given, 75 times toss kar liya. Or when you consider that throwing a die only, throwing a die you take into consider. Throwing a die 75 times I have. So you got a number 5. Number 5 you got is 15 times you got it. Suppose number 5 you got 15 times. So what is the probability of that event is nothing but 15 times you got 15 by 60. Probability of an event, number of trials in which that event happened. That event. What is that event? I am getting a number 5, I am saying. Getting a number 5 is an event. Getting a number 5 is an event. So event is getting a number 5. I may ask you that getting an event, E is an event, getting a prime number, I am saying. Prime number is nothing but 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, 5 is the prime number. So 2, 3, 5 कितना बार आया 60 times में वो चेक करना है. 60 times whenever you are through. हाँ, yes, only some results. So that is called as a probability. So here whenever you consider that, you observe properly, this will be compulsorily, the numerator will be less than the denominator, isn't it? Numerator will be lesser than the, because total 60 times है उसमें कुछ तक means less number of times only you are going to get the particular event. So this will be less than the this one. So this is, you are going to get a proper fraction, and you never get a negative number. So proper fraction, whenever you are getting proper fraction, is nothing for numerator less than the denominator. Numerator less than the denominator. So less than hoga. So when you take the numerator less than the denominator, the value will be how much? Less than 1 only. You any proper fraction you take into consider, that is less than 1. So that's why any probability of any event whenever you are taking into consider, that will be less than 1. So the probability of event is nothing but, this is very important formula. You have to, means this, you have to know that number of the events, means how many times you got. For an example, let us take here 1000 times the following frequencies, means when you toss the coin 1000 times, heads you got it 476 and tails you got it 524 times. 524 times. And the empirical probability of each event is as follows. It is called empirical probability. Okay. So the probability of getting head, number of heads is 476. 476 divided by 1000. So 0.476. And that is 0.476. I already told you the probability any event you are taking into consider, it will be compulsory less than the 1 and greater than 0. 0.476. And probability of getting a tail is represented by P of T. If you represent by the P of T. So probability of tail is nothing but total number of the trials you are going to get it here. 524 here. 524 divided by 1000. So 0.5. See, approximately these both are near to 0.5, you will get it. That's why we take nearly 4.